this is Plasma Z. I never made this before, but there's some other paper at least I called like Plasma Y and Z. Sorry, my voice is a little correct, but so let me show you how to make a Plasma Z. So let's get started. All you need is a small sheet of paper, but when you're using a larger sheet of paper, you need to like fold it this way and then this way. And you have a small sheet. So now let's fold this to here. Okay, now next we're gonna fold this to here and this. So to make sure. As you can see, it's like a, I don't know, let's flip it over, let's do this again on the other side. Okay, now let's unfold. Now next we're gonna fold this to here, but just make it small. Just like fold it down over the way. Right, now let's flip it over. And then now, let's fold this to here, but we're gonna make just like a crease here. You see that, but we're not gonna crease all the way. I'll just stop it here. Oh, let me zoom the camera a little bit. See how this goes here? I'm stopping right there at this point. Stop it right there. Zoom out again. Now let's unfold it. Now let's do the same thing on this side. So stop it right there. Let's flip it over again. And now I'm gonna take this flap. Then I'm gonna match it to here. Just taking this flap. I'm gonna match it. See how this flap goes like this? I'm gonna match it right here. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Or you can just fold it in half. Whatever you're going to do.
Are you sure?
Okay, now unfold it, looks like this. Now let's unfold these two. Now we're gonna fold this crease to here. Sitting on the other side. Sorry, because I covered the whole body because I'm on the weight. Now next we're gonna fold triangles to the middle. Okay, let's fold the half first.
Oh, my ice cream! Well, I ain't gonna eat it now. I didn't know that.
Down.
No, I left it outside. Completely forgot. That's probably really bad. It should be not go in and out like that.
Let's do this on the other side. Oh, wait. So this will be on the other side. Sorry, because,
38.
Let's go again. No, that's not funny. The real two. So it's gonna be the hardest step. So you see this flap here. As I close it, you see that creases here. You see that creases right here. So let me turn it on. You zoom in first. You see that creases. Oh wait. You see that crease is gonna be right there. So I'm gonna this is I'm gonna tuck inside. That's gonna lock the plane. It's gonna be lock the plane. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just gonna fold it here. Wait till flag goes here. See this one here? Gonna tuck inside. Oh wait, it didn't even tuck that in. Alright, there we go. Now that's what happened. Now, it's always complete yet. Here, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay. I don't like this how these triangles are here. I don't like they're popping out. I want to be just folded. As you can see, just folded here. Then I fold it and tuck inside. Oh wait, this one didn't even tuck it in. Oh guys, give me a second. It took me a while to tuck these in because it keeps popping up. Now, as you see, this thing is tucked in. It's just the same thing. So fold it here. I'll fold. Push it in there. Now these triangles are not appearing. Now let's fold the wings. Now let's fold this here. We're gonna match it. So you do this. Match it through here. So this is sitting on the other side. Alright, this is a complete Plasma Z. Hopefully you enjoyed it, but if you want to make a flight, just put a little bit elevator. So thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. So, and good luck flying your plane.